something.
Yeah, so I remember the stuff that we said we use.
Mommy. You want to be in it? Yeah. There's not. Oh. God. So today is my graduation day, and I'm going to be vlogging on my camcorder of all the stuff happening. My hair looks crazy right now because I just woke up. But right now, I'm about to go to breakfast with my mom and sister. My dad and my brother are coming in town right now, so they're on the road. They're in Jacksonville. They'll probably be here around like 1-ish or 2, and so I'll show you that later. My mom. Okay. Another?
I just didn't notice it. Oh my god. You see how this healed up? Remember that exhaust pipe? That motorcycle exhaust?
For the boys, live with dreams in the hills, and they for the boy rain down, goddamn, by the time of the year. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell that from my peers right now. Don't you wanna fuck me now? Don't you wanna love me down? Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Forget to get you owe me some. Stick it like you owe me some. Put you in a prison like a button, king for a time, fair time, fair time. Still getting right again, the phone. Everywhere I go, they got it, got me a puppet.
You come back and find the scholarship because someone is waiting on your generosity. You come back and cheer to celebrate. Denzel Huey Bonner. Nadia Ashley Clark. Khalees Nicole Williams, Jordan Tristan Parker, Casey Lenore,
Neallahd Ali Dukes, magna cum laude. Austin M. Lee, Jordan Berry. Congratulations, graduates. The School of Allied Health.
Hey, thank you.
And I go hard, that's why they keep talking. 3 years and I'm only just getting started. One song and I got the people excited. It's a whole town. It's a whole town. Are you ready? Ready, cause I'm going steady. Everybody want to lie, they want to fight, they want to get me. Kill me, they won't kill me. Tell me why they won't try me when they really don't know me. Hey, hey. I'm on my tunnel vision. I be their allegation. I'm moving on a mission. I don't need supervision. Yeah, 1 in a million. I got the ammunition. They couldn't see the vision. They couldn't see it. Nobody's finding you. Came for the wickedest one. Me and my balls in the wickedest time. I know you see it and know you want more. What you say? What you know, yeah. Came for the wickedest one. Me and my balls in the wickedest time. I know you see it and know you want more. Only I keep moving. I've been going up the mountain in my life. No thinking twice. I gave my lane, so no debating. Don't worry, you know me. I know send anybody. I'm alright. I do it naturally. It's all down. I'm ready. Ready, cause I'm going steady. Everybody want to lie. They want to fight. They want to get me. Kill me, they won't kill me. Tell me why they won't try me when they really don't know me. Hey, hey. I'm on my tunnel vision. I be their allegation. I'm moving on a mission. I don't need supervision. Yeah, 1 in a million. I got the ammunition. They couldn't see the vision. They couldn't see it. Nobody's finding you. Came for the wickedest fun. Me and my girls in the wickedest time. I know you see it and know you want more. What you say? What you know, yeah. Came for the wickedest fun. Me and my girls in the wickedest time. I know you see it and know you want more.